Alright guys, it's been raining all day yesterday. We needed the rain. Very, very good, very happy. It's been pretty cold the last 2 days, but today it's just windy. I'm in a t-shirt. It feels good for me. I'm a little bit bigger feller, you know, but so I can handle it a little bit. But you know, as soon as I get moving here, I'm gonna start sweating. So today I need to clean this up real quick. It's a little dirty from driving in the rain. And this is going to be an easy waterless wash. These are the times when waterless wash works. It's fast. Let's pick one, use it. Let's get on with it. All right, I've got a couple towels here. I'm just gonna do this real quick, guys. This is a fast way to wash your car. It's not that dirty, and I need to use up these bottles, so it's about a half bottle. I'm sure I'll use this. If I need to find something else, we'll finish up some more. You can find this over at autoforge.net. It's great for a fast wash, guys. Let's go. All right, let's get the waterless wash. Let's spray down. We'll wet the towel a little bit. Let's start with this panel here, guys. We're gonna go ahead and spray. Now I can see the wind is not moving in the direction I want it. We're gonna wipe, and I'm just showing you up close first. Gonna wipe everything. I'm going to flip the towel and then I'm going to dry everything off here. Done. All right, guys, here we go. We're at the bottom here. I want to show you how good this stuff cleans. It's very, very dirty. So let's do a half so you guys can see like a 50-50 here. Keep my big head out of the way. Look at how good that cleans. Very, very nice. Flip it over, dry. Let's get this cleaned here. All right. All right, let's take a look right here. Look how clean it is. Right there's the dirt. Look at that. Same with the plastics. If you're wondering how well it cleans plastics, there's all the dirt. Very, very good. Let's do this side here. All right, let's see. Nice wipe. Look at that. Comes right off. Let's flip the towel, dry it. What do you guys think? Look at that. Very, very good. Clean, fast, efficient. We will need to do the windows. You can see there's a little bit left over. Go over the windows. Let's bring you in for a close-up right away. It looks good. There's a little bit of, there you go, a little bit of streaking. That's what I noticed on the windows, but the rest of it, did you guys see it earlier? It was real dirty in the beginning of the video. Everything looks good. Nice and clean, super fast, guys. Well, I didn't film it and I'm sitting here taking it off. Look you guys. So let's get this last one. Let's get this good wipe here. Look at that. Very nice. Here's some of the dirt. Here was the dirt from not filming, so it is very dirty. I need to flip this towel. Get a clean, dry side. Dry this down here. All right, we got it. We got it pretty clean there. You guys get the hint. I'm gonna finish this front end real quick and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, I just need a little glass cleaner, Duragloss 761, fantastic. Got myself a twisted loop towel. Gonna work really good to get this glass clean. Now the glass is clean, just got a little bit of streaks. So all we gotta do is get a little spray, wipe it. This towel's a little bit big. But it's gonna work. It's gonna be fine. All right, guys, I got a little bit left. We've got a dirty wheel towel. All right, guys, we're done. We did a fast waterless wash. Today, really, we just used the ceramic waterless wash by McKee's 37. Had about half a bottle. I did the whole car. I did the wheels. No problem. We just used some regular microfiber towels. This is a fast, great product. Leaves a little bit of slickness. It leaves gloss behind is what it does, and it cleans nicely. So very good product there. I think it took me about 20 minutes filming. I went over the glass, as this might leave a little bit of residual streaks on the glass. It's leaving some type of gloss or slickness behind, so I had to get that off. And we used the Duragloss 761. Very, very good product. If you need a detailing cart, all of these products can be found at autoforge.net. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me show you the car. Leave any questions you have in the comments below.